One of the things that makes track work look realistic is doing some ballasting on your track. Ballasting basically means putting the rocks and things around the track, just like the real railroads do. And in this tutorial we'll show you how to do that on a short section of track on my layout. Some of the things you'll need is some watered down wood glue, a syringe without the needle, a stiff paintbrush, and a quantity of ballast depending on the length of track you want to ballast. As you can see, there's the things there that you'll need. The first thing we need to do is actually put the ballast on the track. And so to do that we just put it in a suitable container that will give some control over where you put the ballast. And basically you just put it in like this. I tend to heap it up fairly high inside the rails, and you'll see why in a minute. The next thing we need to do is grab our stiff paintbrush and just gently move it along the track so that the ballast spreads out. And as you can see, it goes on both sides of the rails when you do that, and it gives quite a nice profile to the ballast. And then what we need to do is just fill in some of the gaps that we've got, just to make it look a bit more complete. And a little bit on the side as well, doesn't hurt. And then just gently with the brush, just spread it out again, just to give it a nice even look. You just need to check that there's no bits of ballast too close to the edge of the rail, and I just run my fingernail along just to check that, and that tends to loosen any bits of ballast that might be sticking there. The next thing we need to do is, using our glue mixture and the syringe without the needle, is to actually wet it. And then all we do is we just gently drop the glue mix out of the eyedropper or syringe without the needle. I normally do in the middle of the track first, because the glue tends to spread when you do that anyway, and that means you're not going to have too much glue running all over the place or over parts of the layout where you don't want it. As you can see, that's saturating that glue mix, that ballast mix quite well. And then we just do along the side a bit as well, just to. Then what I normally do, again, is just run my fingernail just along the inside, just to make sure that any ballast is away from the edge of the track. This is especially important if you've got larger wheels, flanges on your wheels. And that starts to loosen any ballast so that it doesn't get stuck there when the glue sets. Now that will take quite a while to set, at least a couple of hours depending on the temperature of the room. And once it's done you can do another section, or you can even continue doing another section while that is setting.